eyes see the me God made. God made my eyes. God made my ears. See his ears? God made my nose. Where's your nose? That's your mouth.
You already got his nose. He knew what was coming next.
God made my mouth. God made my hands. Good God. God made my feet. Where are your feet? Oh. Where are your feet? Are they way down there? Show Mommy your feet. What are you doing? Where are your feet? There you go.